3. What is it? Case. What is it?
It is wallet.
What is it?
It is pencil.
Pencil. What is it?
It is pen.
Pen. What is it?
It is ruler.
What is it?
It is mobile.
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone.
Okay, what is it?
It is doll.
What is it?
It is
Table.
table.
What is it? Table.